Hola Latino presenta Hola Alabama, la revista en la televisión.
It's McRib time, oh yeah!
Did you know a large number of our vehicles stolen in the metro area are due to citizens leaving their vehicles running and unattended? Many times people will go to the grocery store or to warm up their cars in the mornings and leave their vehicles unattended with the keys in the car. Many thieves take advantage of this opportunity and make off with the citizens' cars and leave them stranded. You can learn more about this by attending the Alabama Safety Expo. Many times citizens go shopping and they'll leave vehicles with many packages in the front seat or in the rear seat. Thieves come by and they prey on these vehicles, busting your windows out and making off with your property. Come to the Alabama Safety Expo. We'll teach you more about how to take care of your property and yourself. You can also get more tips on how to make your home safe from burglars. Things like cutting the shrubs around your home, leaving lights on before you leave the house, also utilizing timers to throw the thieves off. I'm Sergeant Johnny Williams of the Birmingham Police Department. Come to the BJCC on January 8th to the Alabama Safety Expo and learn more about how to keep your family safe and your property.